Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Today we're going to do Amazon and Home Depot deals, some really good deals, and then just Amazon, of course. I do have affiliate links, and just so you're aware, everything that I look up on Amazon is just at its best price according to the tracker Camel. Not sponsored by any of the tools I'm showing. Feel free to verify against the tracker. But let's jump in because this is a great deal here. First, Wiha 3/8" drive metric impact socket set, $19.98. It's 82% claimed. Limited time deal, 25% off. We love us some Wiha, to be honest. Black oxide nut setter. Steal of a deal. SKIL power core 20 10-inch snow shovel kit, 20 volt 4 amp hour battery, and a 60-watt charger included. $90, 17% off if you're dealing with some snow and you're already in the SKIL line. Next, VEVOR ATV utility, ATV UTV trailer tow behind dump cart, 15 cubic feet, heavy duty yard, garden trailer, pull behind the dump trailer for lawnmower tractor, $196, 23% off, best price. Can come in pretty handy if you have a tractor or more to tow this behind. Really nice. Fluke BK120 SmartTrace breaker finder and socket tester says the deal is selling fast. Can't say I've seen that one, but it was at its best price by quite a bit. $60, 26% off from Fluke. If you're in need, we have the Ghoul, I don't even know, GOOACC 5-piece nylon auto trim removal kit for $6.09. Limited time deal, 28% off. $6 basically. If you don't have a trim removal kit, you definitely, if you're doing work on your cars, don't have to remove your trim without some of these. You break everything. I have done that. Mayhew select lighted claw pick up tool. We love Mayhew, and only at $10.47, 39% off for this light pickup tool. And these can come in pretty handy. It's 22 inches flexible shaft, magnetic. You need to pick something up. It's super hard to reach. Everyone finds themselves in that issue at one point. Mohawk home indoor outdoor heavy duty rubber floor mat, anti-slip for garage or garden, $7.49, 63% off. Just thought it was a killer deal for a rubber mat. If you don't have a rubber mat, pick one up for $7. Slice precision knife, finger grip for precision and control, safe ceramic blade lasting 11 by longer than metal. Lasting longer than, I don't know what that means. Blade lasting 11 times longer than metal. I see. 1-pack slice precision knife. It's a ceramic blade for $2.78. We continue. Stahlwille. We love some German tools. Ratchet ring spanners. This is 7mm and 8mm metric with bi-hexagon straight design. 22 teeth. Chrome plated. Made in Germany, of course. $10.48. Best price on Amazon. We have more VEVOR, the impact socket set, 1/2-inch 26-piece impact sockets, shallow socket, 6-point sockets, rugged construction, 1/2-inch drive socket set, impact metric, 10mm to 36mm with a storage case. Limited time deal, $41.31, 17% off, normally $50. I mean, you could do worse than VEVOR. We have Klein tools, 10-in-1 impact rated, driver multi-bit screwdriver, deep well flip sockets for plumbing and HVAC, and $19.42, 12% off, also best price. Then we have the Black Canyon hand impact screwdriver, 12 pieces, tip styles slotted. This really helps with disengaging some stubborn fasteners or frozen bolts. Here they say rusted fasteners. Ideal hand tool for men. Interesting. But limited time deal, $23.79, 15% off. Again, this was best price on the tracker. Then we have some knives here. This is the SOG Escape ATK 2.0 at $32.59. And this $32.59 was already the lowest price, but there is a coupon here for $22.81. So take off an extra $10 essentially, which seems pretty nuts. But that $32 was the lowest price. And get it an extra $10 cheaper with this coupon price at their terms. We keep going. SOG Diverge XR, another limited time deal on a fancy looking knife. 31% off, $47.97, normally $70 bucks, but this is a wild looking blade. SOG. Put them in your mini toolboxes. And then slightly moving away from tools, just some of the best deals on Amazon. Sharpie Mystic Gems, Ultra Fine Point Permanent Markers. Lowest price in 30 days, of course, $6.29, 34% off. Excellent deal. And then the pack of 2, Sharpie Mystic Gems, $12.58, was also the best price. I think it's exactly divided by 2. But if you're in the market for some Sharpies, make great gifts. Then we have the Zebra Pen Z-Grip Retractable Ballpoint Pens, the HARBRO, the Pen Bros. We do some pen recommendations from time to time. And Zebra used to be the fad back in the day. 1mm medium point, ideal for note-taking and journal planner use. 18-pack, $6.99, 39 cents per Zebra. Pen, 49% off. Excellent deal on some quality pens. And then if you do any sports viewing, going out to watch some college games or any type of games, high school games, whatever it is that have bleachers, these can make all the difference just for comfort. So I thought this was interesting. It's the heated stadium seats for bleachers with back support. Back support is already worth it, but this has a heating component within it. It has cushion, lightweight and portable with a shoulder strap so you can carry it around. Limited time deal, $56, 38% off. Just thought it was super interesting. And it has some little storage cases because bleachers are not comfortable at all. And we keep going. Melissa and Doug Wooden magnetic train cars, 8-piece, 60% off, down to $10.80. Some nice, inexpensive, relatively toys for the young ones. And then some deals on Legos, at least on Amazon, best price. Valentine's Day coming up, Lego Art Love Collectible Building Set, $63.99, 20% off. Can be a good option. There's also this one, which is pretty wild, or pretty, I want it, is basically what I'm trying to say. Lego Super Mario Game Boy Retro Building Sets for adults, 18+. Also, Valentine's Day for him, possible collectible model with game packs, pretty cool, Zelda and Super Mario Land, $59.95, same thing. Best price on Amazon. And then this Lego Botanicals Mini Orchid Building Set, $23.95, 20% off. Again, best price on Amazon. And then we're going to go to Home Depot, where they had some really good deals on Rigid. So I wanted to make sure I shared these because this is online. It's a daily deal, so it ends in one day. But here we have the 18-volt subcompact. This is for the Home D Bros. Subcompact brushless cordless drill driver kit with 2-amp-hour battery charger, $80, well, $79. Normally $150, so save 47%. And you get your drill, bag, and charger and battery. Then they have, this one says out of stock, so maybe the Home Depot will have a little bit more luck, but there's a few other ones that are not. The 18-volt brushless cordless 2-tool combo kit with 2 batteries, charger bag, 18-volt brushless multi-tool, $150, normally $400, a little bit suspicious, but for $150 for 3 tools, essentially getting each tool for about $50 plus a couple batteries, charger, and like that's a great deal. That's a great deal. This one does not. This one shows in stock. This is similar kit, except with this one comes the brushless angle grinder for $150. So same logic, $50 per tool essentially. And then again, same thing, except this one with the subcompact brushless 6.5-inch circular saw from Rigid, $150. Again, daily deal ends in one day. And then they had the same combination, but this was a brushless mid-torque impact wrench. It is showing out of stock. Daily deal ends in 12 hours, but maybe you'll have a little bit more luck on your end. And that's for the Home Depot. And those are the deals. Amazon, some great deals. Valentine's Day coming up. Decent tools. Let me know how your 30% weekend is going at Harbor Freight. Don't forget about that. And again, I'll leave it at that. Please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your